Hi, welcome to the Atom Tax Software Client Portal tutorial. Today we're going to be going over a couple of things, getting you set up, getting you logged in, and letting you know how to do everything you need to in the client portal. So to start, you're going to go ahead and open up that email letting you know that you have a client portal to access. The first thing you're going to do is click this link taking you to the Atom Tax Software portal for you to get logged in. Now, you may have gotten a temporary password. If not, that's perfectly okay. We're going to go over how to go ahead and get one. So we're going to go ahead and click the link. Now you're going to see when you open it that it's going to say you can enter your social security number, your EIN number, any of those. We're going to go ahead and select email, and we're going to enter that email that we received the message to. Now, if you did not get a temporary password, we're going to go ahead and hit need a password, and you're going to enter that email again and request a new password. You don't have to enter your social security number to request a new password. Just enter the email that you received the message on. So we're going to go back to login, and we're going to switch it to email. And I'm going to go ahead and type in my email. And make sure when doing this that you're choosing a nice strong password. Okay, so when we get to the menu, we're going to go ahead and see all of these nice little links that are super easy for us to use and look at. So we're going to go first to Where's My Refund. So under Where's My Refund, you're not going to do much with this except for be checking the status of your refund. And if you hit refund status links, it's going to go over all of those links, taking you straight to the IRS website for you to see when you might be getting your refund. And under instructions, you will also see that there are different processing times for returns. So just make sure before you get worried that you might not be getting your refund or you don't know when you're getting it, that you look at the processing time that goes with what you filed. Okay, we're going to go back to the main menu, get a copy of my documents. Now, this is where any documentation that you've uploaded is going to be. So this is only for 2024, 2025, so I don't have a past year, but if you have past years and they're uploaded, they will be here, as well as the upload types. If the office uploads it, it'll appear as a different upload type, as well as show all years. This is currently the only year that is on here, but if I wanted to look at my return, I can open it, which this is just going to say FO24 W2, so there's nothing in there. And it's going to show when I uploaded it, as well as the description I uploaded it with it. Now, if you want to be more thorough with your description, the more information, the better. Enter as much as you can to go ahead and help the office do their job to the best of the ability. If this is something you would have told them meeting with them in person, or when you would normally send it to them, go ahead and put it in that description. Okay, under get a copy of my invoice and receipt, we're going to go ahead and look at that. So it's going to show the year, what I was billed for, and then the balance and my statement. And when I hit statement, this is going to go ahead and download straight to my computer or phone. I really recommend doing this on a computer. And I'll be able to see the statement, what I was billed for, and how much I owe. And then also, if it's a receipt, what I've paid. Okay, we are going to go over sending documents to the office. So when I get here, I see that there's a description panel. There's also a place to upload my documents or drop files. So we're going to hit browse to upload a document. I'm going to upload the FO 2024 1099. And then in description, since this is just fake, I'm just going to put FO 2024 1099. And if I have more information, I can put it, but I also am going to put my name just to be safe and make sure that it's well known that this is mine. And if it's for business, I'm going to put my business and what it's for. And as a business owner, I will also put the owner of my business, so that will also be mentioned. Like I said, as much as you can put in the description, better. So I'm going to upload this. I'm going to hit OK. And then if I go back to the main menu and go straight to get a copy of my documents, it's already going to be there. So now we're going to go over send a message to the office. Okay. So if it happens to be after hours, or I'm already on my computer and it's a holiday, or for some reason I need to get in touch with the office, I don't want to call it on an email, this is a great way to go ahead and send a message. So I can go ahead and hit compose, and I'm going to be talking about my FO 1099. I'm going to say Good morning. I mistakenly sent the wrong year. I will be uploading the new one. Okay, so this is just a fake message, obviously. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and just send that message, and it's been sent to the office. So that is an easy way to just send messages. I can also show all the years, which again, this is the first time we're using this, so this is not going to have anything. You archived, again, we don't have any. And then I can also display it as sent. And those are my messages, including it's going to record when I've uploaded documents and everything else. So we're going to go back to main menu. And then you might be like, oh, we're all done. Nope. We're going to hit the 3 little lines up here, or the hamburger as some people call it. We're going to go to client feedback. Okay, so this is where you can write some of your stellar reviews about the office and the service you've received, and how you're liking it and everything else like that. So this is a great way to go ahead and send in all of that information. You can even be thorough, mention people by name to go ahead and shout them out. So this is just a fun way to let everyone know how you're liking everything. Okay, we're gonna go back to that hamburger and we're gonna hit this client feedback. Now this is a quicker one. This is kind of like a survey, if anything. So you're gonna fill this out and go ahead and let people know how you're feeling. Okay, additional links. This currently does not have anything, but as we get links and we get everything filled in, and we have things that we feel are useful to you, useful to your tax returns, your bookkeeping, anything like that, this is where they will be. Of course, when we add things to this, we will be letting y'all know, so y'all know that there is information in there. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the 3 lines, and we're going to go to request an appointment. Okay, so under request an appointment, we're going to see that we can put in the date, obviously the office, the time, and then currently there's nothing under appointment type as of right now. We're going to put in our email and phone number, and then under appointment note, this is where we really want to go ahead and let the office know what this appointment is going to be about, just in case if they need to get information together beforehand for us, as well as letting them know if it's going to be a very long appointment or a small appointment. That way they know to allot this certain amount of time. Okay, so now we're going to go back to those 3 lines, and we are going to go to update my address, email, phone, password. Okay, so this is where we can go ahead and update any of our information, get it nice and filled out, so that way if we've moved, if our number has changed, email has changed, that way the software can still reach out to us, make sure it's sending us those updates. And of course, if you need to change your password, you'll hit here and it will send you a temporary password and then a new password slot to fill out. Okay, so that concludes the client portal tutorial for the Atom Tax software. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, or you can also contact the office. I highly recommend contacting the office, so that way you can get a nice, fast response. So please just let us know if you have any questions or you need any other help setting up your client portal. Thank you.